pretty bird? Who's a pretty bird? Are you a pretty bird? You are. What's so funny? What's so funny? You don't know? Can you get back up? Stop being nimble nuts. Get back up. Get back up on the top of the cage. Get back up. Get back up. Come on, come back up. Ah, what's coming after you? What's coming after you? What are you looking at? Are you laughing? You laughing at me? Give the camera your good side. Hey, give the camera your good side. This is your good side? Oh, where's the other good side? Where's the other good side? Is it this side? I knew it that side. Go ahead, go back up to the top. I know you're a pretty bird. Can you come back up to the top, please? The top. No, we're not going to be vicious right now. Get back up to the top. Seriously. No. I know. I know you're pretty. Oh. Yeah, I know you're a pretty bird. Can you get back up to the top? To the top of the cage, please. You can't say hi yet, can you? I know. You can say pretty bird, but what's wrong with hi? Is it too humble? It's too humble for you, huh? Oh my gosh. That's your good side? You want something. Oh, you're back on the top. Thank you. Thank you for getting back on the top. Hey, can you say goodbye? Laugh at him. Say goodbye. Say goodbye. See you again. Say goodbye. Okay, that's the closest we're gonna get is pretty bird and then laughing. Okay, bye.